Hey guys, so it's Thursday. Trevor just went to school. I'm about to stick some dinner in the crock pot just to let that cook all day. I was gonna work today, but then I ended up not being needed, so I'm home today. I'm gonna take that as a chance to like start decluttering. That's one of my, well, basically that's my only like New Year's resolution this year. I want to get the house completely decluttered. It's probably going to take me all year long to do it, but I want to get a head start on it. So I'm going to start that. I'm going to make that into like a separate video. Like I'm going to do a decluttering video, so you won't see that in this vlog, but I will be doing that in a separate video. I also need to run to the store because we're supposed to be getting a really big snowstorm this weekend. Saturday and Sunday is supposed to be really bad, so I want to go to the store, make sure I have like enough milk and water, and I think that's probably all I need, milk and water, because we have plenty of like everything else. So yeah, for dinner, I'm gonna put some chicken in the crock pot, and I bought some of this stuff. I found this packet at Aldi, and it's classic buffalo seasoning sauce. It's for chicken wings, but I'm gonna try something different and just put some chicken breast in the crock pot and then just sprinkle this over it and probably add like a little bit of water and ranch dressing. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna see how that turns out. I've never had this before, so I'm not sure how it's gonna be. And then we'll just have like rice with it on the side or something. I don't know. I'll find something to put on the side with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so last night I put out my recycling and I was like, yes, I'm on top of it. I'm getting it because I've missed like the last couple recycling days, so I have a ton of it. And so I did it last night because today is recycling day. I'm like, yes, I'm on top of it. I'm like getting it out early. I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. So I'm looking at all of my neighbors' houses now, and nobody has their recycling out. So our recycling comes every other week, and I'm thinking I have my weeks mixed up. So I'm like so bummed out because I have so much recycling, and now I have to drag it all back in the house. And if we weren't getting like a huge snowstorm, like over a foot of snow, then I would just leave it out there for like a whole other week. But since we're supposed to get like a ton of snow, I should probably bring it back into the garage. And I thought I was like ahead of myself this week. I haven't gotten dressed yet. I've just been like being lazy. That's the thing, like if I'm not working and Trevor's in school, I just want to lounge and just do nothing. But I have so much to do that I could be getting done, and so that's what I need to like start doing. I think if I get dressed, that'll help. Okay, so I'm back from Walmart. I'll just show you what I got really quick. I didn't get a lot, like I said. I only wanted to really get milk. So I got my gallon of milk. That'll definitely get us through the storm. I picked up a nachos, like Lunchable thing for Trevor for lunch tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, and I usually send him like something kind of special for lunch on Fridays. And then I just grabbed some rice, steamed rice, something super easy to go with our chicken tonight. We were out of bagels, and I didn't feel like going to Aldi to like get anything, so I just got these from Walmart. And then I've been meaning to get some vitamins, like just some multivitamins for myself, because I don't eat the healthiest, so I want to make sure I'm getting all my vitamins that I need. All right, so the chicken is, I put it on warm. It was on low, but the chicken's pretty much cooked now. I put it in there frozen, and it didn't take long for it to cook, but I think I may have like ruined the buffalo seasoning by adding so much water. Next time if I do this again, I think I'll probably just put the packet of seasoning in there and then squirt some ranch dressing in there. I put water in there because I didn't want the chicken to get all dried out, but I'm just gonna let that sit on warm until we have dinner tonight. Oh, I gotta put the milk in the fridge. I need to clean out my fridge too. There's just leftovers that are probably not good anymore, and that's for another day though. I don't feel like doing that today. It's 2:30. I still have about an hour until Trevor gets home from school. I brought in my recycling. You know, I did the whole walk of shame out there to go get it and then bring it in. My neighbors are probably laughing at me like, you got your weeks mixed up. Okay, so I was about to put on some mascara to look somewhat presentable today. But I remembered that like right before I got pink eye, like the day before, I was wearing one of these, and I can't remember which one I was wearing. So I think I have to throw them all away and just buy new ones, which kind of stinks because I really liked these mascaras. Yeah, I don't want to take the chance of getting like any kind of like bacteria in my eye if that had anything to do with pink eye, so gotta say goodbye to these. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this whole like winter storm that we're supposed to get. It hasn't really started yet. It's kind of, I mean, it's like trickling snow right now. It's not really snowing much at all. Yesterday my sidewalk and driveway were clear, and you can see there's like a little coating on the sidewalk and the driveway right now. The major part of the storm is supposed to start sometime this afternoon. The exact time is unclear because every news station and every app says a different time. So sometime this afternoon we're supposed to get like 5 inches, and then tonight while we're sleeping we're supposed to get like 6.5. So when we wake up tomorrow morning, we'll have about 1 foot of snow probably. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated though. Yesterday I went to Aldi to grab a few things on top of what I had gotten the day before. Like I went and got my milk and everything the day before, and then yesterday Trevor reminded me that we need muffins for his breakfast. That's what he eats for breakfast. We went out to Aldi yesterday and it was packed. Like people were stocking up, and just like I had to wait for somebody to pull out of the parking lot so that I could get a parking spot, and it's never that busy. So, but anyways, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll kind of show the progress of the snow, and it'll be interesting to see how much we actually get because it's supposed to continue all the way to Monday. This for dinner, so I'm gonna make that, and I'm just thawing out the ground beef right now.
Hi, if you see down here, it's
it sees you.
It's me with my beautiful rainbow doll.
So I'm gonna make this
sorry,
for
I
him,
just farted.
And in the meantime, I'm going to make some leftover pizza and garlic knot. Pizza, garlic knot. So this is the update of the winter storm we're supposed to be getting. We haven't gotten much snow yet. It's kind of just coming down slowly. I'll show you like the I usually just kind of look at the swings and look up here to kind of see how much we've gotten. So maybe an inch so far if you look on top of like this tree house thing. Yeah, so not much yet.
It's like 2 feet down on the ground.
Well, no, not really. It's only like a couple inches. So yeah, you can see it's coming down slowly. It's supposed to pick up. They say it's supposed to pick up like tonight. I'm interested to see what we'll have in the morning when we wake up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay tuned on this whole winter storm and see how much we get. And also you won't miss any of my other videos. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.